I made my first $10,000 as a broke college student by doing something 97% of students completely ignore. It wasn't crypto, day trading, or working at Starbucks. All the usual advice you have probably already heard. Look, I get it. You're tired of working minimum wage jobs and still being broke. But what if I told you there's a way to make serious money without sacrificing your grades? In the next 8 minutes, I show you exactly how I did it and how you can too, even if you are starting with 0 skills and $0. You know what sucks? Working 20 hours a week at minimum wage and still not having enough money to cover your basic expenses. I have been there, and if you're watching this, chances are you have too. That feeling of working your butt off just to barely scrape by is so crushing. Let's look at the math for a second. At $15 an hour, working 20 hours a week during school, you will make about $1,200 a month before taxes. Sound decent on paper, right? But when your rent is $800, groceries at $300, and textbooks cost hundreds per semester, that money evaporates faster than water in desert. It's like trying to fill a leaky bucket with a slow drip, and student loan interest slightly piles up while you study. That is a whole other nightmare waiting for you after graduation. So, what do most students do when they realize their part-time job isn't cutting it? They look for side hustles. I have seen it time and again. Students frantically searching for ways to make extra cash while balancing classes, sleep, and maybe a hint of a social life. Through my research and personal experience, I've found that student side hustles typically fall into 4 main categories: in-person services, local products, global products, and online services. Here is a critical insight. 3 of these categories are financial quicksand, and sadly, they are the ones most students gravitate toward. Let's break them down. In-person services seem like obvious first choice: job working, food delivery, personal training. Imagine juggling 3 classes and 3 pet appointments in a day. It quickly becomes unsustainable. The appeal is clear with low startup costs, but you are still trading time for money. You are limited to customers in your geographic area, and competition is fierce because the barrier to entry is so low. Local products, baking cookies, creating handmade jewelry, or selling artwork at campus markets. Some creative but rarely scale profitably. My friend who started selling handmade candles spent so much on materials that our profit margins were razor thin. When material costs eat 70% of your revenue, and you can only sell to a few hundred potential customers, hitting $10,000 become a distant dream. Global products like dropshipping and crypto demand reach customers worldwide but require significant upfront investment. I tried dropshipping once and I learned that profit reinvestment is a killer. Every dollar I made immediately went back into inventory. 3 months in, I still hadn't paid myself anything close to what I needed. These conventional methods, though familiar, are a trap, and here is why the digital route is your escape. About 97% of students focus on these 3 categories because they seem accessible, but they're actually the least efficient ways to make money when you break down the profit margins, time investment, and scalability potential. The solution: the 4th category, online services, outperforms the others by miles in terms of profit margins and scalability, yet is the one most students completely overlook. They don't think they have the skills, credentials, or experience to offer services online, or they simply don't know how to start. The beauty of online services is that they combine the best aspects of the other categories without their limitations. You are not constrained by location, material costs are minimal, and you can often serve multiple clients without proportionally increasing your time investment. Remember those 70 to 80% profit margins I mentioned earlier? That is the game-changing reality that transformed my bank account from student broke to thriving. But here is what most students miss: the skills needed to tap into this gold mine might already be sitting right under your nose. When I first discovered the power of online services, it wasn't because I had some special talent nobody else possessed. I simply recognized something that most of my classmates didn't. Businesses are actively looking for solutions to their problems, and they are willing to pay premium rates to get them. The main reason students don't explore this part is fascinating. They automatically assume assume they need formal qualifications, years of experience, or technical skills they haven't developed yet. This couldn't be further from the truth. What businesses actually care about is whether you can solve their problems, not what's listed on your resume. Think about it. When you're operating an online service business, geography becomes irrelevant. A client in Tokyo can hire you just as easily as someone down the street. Time cost runs losing too. With the right systems in place, you can deliver tremendous value without being chained to your laptop 24/7. This freedom is what allowed me to maintain my cost load while building a business that generated serious income. Let's talk about profit margins. Physical products typically yield 20 to 30% if you are lucky, meaning only $20 to $30 of every $100 in sales becomes profit. With online services, those numbers flip dramatically. 70 to 80% of revenue becomes actual profit because you are not paying for manufacturing, shipping, or inventory storage. Your biggest investment is simply your knowledge and time. The key to my success was identifying what I call my skill pyramid, a strategic framework for pinpointing viable service offerings. This involves determining my core strengths, identifying areas of genuine interest, and understanding problem businesses will pay to solve. For example, I transformed basic video editing skills into a specialized services for products, selling entrepreneurs who needed compelling promotion content. This turning point in my journey was a game changer. I wasn't just another editor and was a specialized asset businesses actively sought out. I found the tree of real progress when I first shifted from hourly rates to performance-based pricing. It wasn't just more money in my account, it was validation of my abilities. This leverage charging based on result delivered rather than time invested creates win-win scenarios where everyone profits. Building a system that attracts clients completed the puzzle. Think of it as planting seeds in a digital garden. Each sample I posted online, each strategy I explained, each growth metric I documented for clients becomes seeds that grew into fruitful opportunities. This approach increased my visibility and built a sustainable pipeline of clients. Organization and reliability set me apart from competitors. I prioritize meeting deadlines and maintain clear communication, using automation tools to ensure nothing fell through the cracks. The professionally built trust and led to repeat business. The beauty of this approach is how quickly it compounds. Each successful project builds your portfolio, increases your confidence, and justifies higher rates. While my classmates struggle with minimum wage jobs, I built valuable business skills and watched my bank account grow. The first few clients were the hardest, but one momentum built. Reaching that $10,000 milestone happened faster than ever imagined. Alright, so here is what we have covered about making that $10,000 as a student. It's about strategic position in the digital economy where genuine opportunity exists. The skills you are developing through your online service business carry significant weight in today's job market. Often surpass traditional classroom learning. Employers increasingly value practical experience in copywriting, video editing, or social media management over academic credentials alone. You are building a professional portfolio while earning income, a powerful competitive advantage. Are you ready to break free from minimum wage jobs and start building your future today? Start small, deliver exceptional value, and transform this opportunity into something much bigger. And you welcome.